Hi, this is Casey with Holiday Automotive. Today we're taking a look at a Mocha Steel Metallic 2010 Chevrolet Malibu LT, stock number A6752A. This is in excellent shape. I do not see any noticeable scratches. There is a chrome rim that is wrapped in a Michelin tire. Inside you have a brown and tan cloth upholstery, and that's in fantastic condition. There's seating for 2 in the front row and seating for 3 in the second row, making this a 5-passenger Malibu. We'll take a quick look down the passenger side. There is keyless entry for the trunk. And the reason that I'm showing you this Malibu today is because I would like for you to see all angles of this before you schedule your test drive or before we ship this out to you. On the driver's side door, you have your usual power amenities. There are power lumbar adjustments. On the left of the steering wheel, you've got cruise control buttons. On the right-hand side, you have audio controls. This is equipped with OnStar. There is a CD player along with an AM/FM radio. Underneath of that, you have your climate controls. This is a 6-speed automatic transmission. Your engine is a 2.4-liter 4-cylinder engine, which in highway mileage gets you around 33 miles per gallon. If you'd like to get more information on this Malibu or to schedule your test drive, visit us at holidayautomotive.com. We will also receive a free vehicle history report provided by AutoCheck. Again, that's holidayautomotive.com. My name is Casey, and thanks for watching.